Whoa, 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 whoa. So there is actually no reason to fire up the Kickstarter today because this bike has electric start. There we go, there we go. You guys saw my other bikes. Obviously my 78 had electric start, but being a young guy, and oftentimes some people say you're young and you're dumb, I obviously deleted the electric start, so I gotta kickstart that damn thing every time I start it. But this bike here today, this is my dad's bike, and he put electric start on it because, well, he doesn't want to be kickstarting this bike every time he needs to go somewhere. So let's do a walkthrough of this thing. It's really awesome, and I think you guys are really gonna enjoy it. Let's get into it. Okay, guys. So here's my dad, Tom. He's the owner of this fine rig here, and what he'll do, he'll probably just hold the camera while I walk through it. But yeah, you had this thing for, I don't know, like 2 years now.
Yeah, well, at least, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, you got it for a super good deal.
And just need a little bit of attention.
A little bit of attention. Yeah, so let's walk through it here. Okay, guys, so yeah, 67 Harley Davidson FLH. So panhead lower, it actually has shovelhead uppers. That's kind of how it was. You can start getting a little bit closer. We'll start looking at it, but it pretty much has all the good stuff. So pogo seat, pretty awesome with the fringe. If you look at the gas tanks, kind of like a OEM paint job, but kind of OEM plus, where it's got this awesome pinstriping done by Ray Dre. It's actually gold leaf inlaid in there, which is really awesome, as you can see. Yeah, a lot of great stuff. Has the tin outer primary and inner primary, obviously, and with the electric start, what we did is we went with the Indian Larry setup. So it's just got this little gear that comes off right there, and it just catches the teeth on your primary ring, which it works really well. This thing was pretty hard to start. It was one of those where the distributor, it didn't have the manual, or it didn't have the automatic and retard system set up, so it was always advanced, and the thing would kick back super hard. So it's one of those where put this on there makes it really easy to start. Swing arm bike, obviously, since it's stock. Yeah, some nice like white walls front and rear, drum brake front and rear. Got this awesome windshield, which Harley pretty much copied for their new Highway King bike. And yeah, just a lot of kind of standard Harley FLH stuff. We're really lucky to where we live, being in Wisconsin. There's a lot of vintage Harley guys, and we have a really awesome vintage Harley shop in the area called Deluxe HD Restoration. So if you do need any parts for your old Harley, you can definitely contact Cass there, and he'll be able to help you out. That's actually where we got this bike from. It was pretty rough when we got it. It didn't look like this. It had like gray tanks with like moon eyes on it, but it was pretty cool. If we come around to this side, you'll be able to see the A side of the bike. So motor looks really good. Standard floorboards, hydraulic rear brake, just standard manual drum front brake, and yeah, that's kind of it. I mean, with this setup, had to make he made custom oil lines for it. Has an S&S carb on it, so obviously that's not stock, but we found that they do work really well. And yeah, that's kind of the rundown of the bike. I'll do some more detailed shots of it, and then we'll start it up and take it for a spin for you guys. So yeah. Also, we do actually have we have a buddy seat for it, so we're gonna get the buddy seat hardware, and then we'll have a buddy seat for it. So we can go up, we can do 2-up rides on this bad mamma jamma. Okay, so let's we haven't charged the battery or anything over winter, so we'll see if this actually starts. Okay. Turns over, which is good. mighty close. Ah. There we go. Beep, beep.
That would be what your out of gas sounds like. Switch to reserve. Away it goes. And here it comes. He made it all the way down to the roundabout.
There we have it, guys. 67 FLH. As I'm sure a lot of you guys can tell, we changed it to a belt drive inner, which is why you hear the clanking and all that stuff when we pull the clutch in, but works good. Ran out of gas right when he pulled out of the driveway, but that's how old stuff works. You guys know how it goes. And yeah, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you on the next video. See ya.
Here we go, the Highway King himself. Taking it out.
So there you guys have it. But man, these old bikes are so much fun. There's something about them, just like the character with them and all that. They always have their own kind of little quirks, and they're just a lot of fun to ride. And what's crazy, my brother has like the newer bike that's closer to that. I think it's Road King or whatever. And like that, the FLH next to the Road King, it's crazy because it's kind of similar styling of a bike and all that stuff you guys know, but the size comparison is dramatic, and just a older FLH is just so much smaller than these new bikes. And I think that's something that I like. They're just fun to ride. They're, as you guys know, they're capable of going on any road or anything like that, but they're just smaller, a lot more fun to ride, a lot easier to handle because they're lighter, and all that stuff. I do have this I have like a weird OCC style chopper that someone gave me, and I'll do a video on that at the next time I'm up here in Wisconsin. It's in storage right now. It's kind of up in some rafters. I'll post a picture right here for you. And kind of the next like thing we want to do on it is trade it in or sell it and trade it up for an older FLH. So we'll see if we can do that. But here's my dad. He's back. There we go. There we go, baby.
Man, this thing's working like a champ, eh?
That's where it's at.